Welcome to a world where technology is compact yet powerful, introducing the Alexa Echo Dot third generation. This small but mighty device boasts a sleek design, enhanced audio quality, and top-notch voice recognition technology. It's the embodiment of a revolution in compact smart technology. This is your chance to experience a revolution in compact smart technology. Now, let's unravel the magic of Alexa Echo Dot third generation, one feature at a time. This compact device packs a punch with its improved sound quality. Whether you're listening to your favorite playlist, an audiobook, or the morning news, you're in for a treat with crystal clear audio that fills the room. Next up, we have the far-field voice recognition technology. This means your Echo Dot can hear you from across the room, even when there's background noise. So go ahead, ask Alexa to set a timer while you're busy whisking away in the kitchen, or ask for the weather as you're getting ready in the morning. But the Echo Dot isn't just about entertainment and convenience, it's also about giving you control. With it, you can manage your smart home devices, switch on your lights, adjust your thermostat, lock your doors, all using your voice. It's like having a personal assistant at your beck and call. And speaking of calls, yes, your Echo Dot can handle that too. Make hands-free calls to your family and friends, or drop in on other rooms in your house equipped with an Echo Dot. Finally, let's not forget about compatibility. With a vast range of supported apps and devices, your Echo Dot can sync with your favorite streaming services, news apps, and much more. With Alexa Echo Dot third generation, you get a smart assistant that does more than just listen. Are you ready to upgrade your world with Alexa Echo Dot third generation? Imagine controlling your home with just your voice, playing your favorite songs, and getting answers to your questions effortlessly. The Alexa Echo Dot third generation is not just a device, it's your personal assistant, your DJ, and your guru, all rolled into one. With its sleek design and superior sound, it's ready to revolutionize the way you live and connect with your world. Don't wait. Make the Alexa Echo Dot third generation yours today by clicking the link in the description. Your smart life is just one click away.